If you see a older model ProStar with MaxxForce 13 and low miles, run. Navistar recalling thousands of international trucks for engine issue, again. This is me showing off my brand new 2013 International ProStar MaxxForce 13. I got this on a lease-to-own plan with Tri-Line Carriers out of Alberta. Tri-Line turned out to be one of the best carriers I ever partnered with in my 40-year trucking career. The truck, not so much. I wish I could find the article that said Navistar received a $15 billion bailout from Fiat. I can't find it, so I cannot confirm if that's true. My point in revisiting this video is to tell you, if you come across a used International ProStar with a MaxxForce engine with low mileage for sale, don't walk away from that deal, run.